Everyone, welcome to Study Guide Forum. Today we'll be looking at some how to calculate some of the angles we have on the board. The first one has to do with triangle. This other one is parallel lines, and this is angle at a point. So for then the questions varies from one another. So today we're going to start without wasting much of your time. We're going to start from the first one. But before we go ahead, if you are joining us for the first time, we encourage you to subscribe and then hit the bell. All right, let's continue. Here we have a question. This question is if you look at it very well, find out it looks like we have two triangles. Let's say we have it, you can get two triangles from there. The first one is 40, 40, and then this is the first triangle. The second one is something that look like this from there. If we merge it up together, join that line, we have another triangle which is 102. And then the question here said that we should find the value of x. Find the value of x. To find the value of x comprises of when you get this one, subtracting the smaller one from the bigger one, you get the value of x. So let's quickly do that now. And we know that this is isosceles triangle. And these two lines we have here means that the two angles here are equal and the two sides are also equal. So for that reason, it means that if this place is A, this other place will be A too. It means that 2A plus 40 will give us 180. Therefore, 2A will be equal to 180 minus 40. That will give us equal to 140. Then A will be 2 divide 140. That will give us 70 degree. 70 degree. That is what we have for this first one. Now we have the A. This other one we can also call it B. B angles, and we know the same based on the same rules there or law. We say that 2B plus 102 equal to 180. Then 2B will be equal to 180. 180 minus 102. That will give us, that one will give us 6. 8. Yes, 8. This one will give us this will give us one from here. We have a alright, yes, that's it. So that is what we have here. Means two, we can take it a bit off to this point. We have 2b equal to 7 8. Then b will then be 7 8 over 2. That when we divide it, we'll have a that will have a that will give us, what do we have here? Divided, we have, I think it should be 39. Yes, 39 degree. That is what we have. So let's continue. Now the next thing we're going to do now, because like I said before, the difference to get this x means that 70, which is the bigger triangle, minus the smaller angle, which this one is know that our b is what 39. So we do 39, subtract from there. What do we have? I'm sorry. So we have that will give us 1. This other one will give us 3. 31 degree. That is the value of our x. X is what? Equal to 31 degree. So let's go down to the second one that we have there. The second one that we have in the second question, we have to calculate the value of x. We have this one 130. 180 minus 130 will give us 50 degree. This other one, angle on a straight line too. We have angle on a straight line. That one, 180 minus 150 will give us 30 degree. So summing these two together, that is 50 plus 30 is equal to what? 80. This other one, x is equal to what? 80. So that is the answer. Now, if you want to take it a bit further, you will find out that this will give us this alternate, this angle here, your alternate, we have what? 50. This other one is what? 30. Now, angle on a straight line, angle, some sum of the angle of exterior angle opposite exterior angle. When we talk about this is two interior angles against this other one exterior angle that's opposite them, adding two of them together according to the law of the triangle, we find out that two of them will give us this. That is how we'll come about this. So now let's go down to the last one that we have here. The last one we have, this is angle on a straight line, which means y is equal to 180 minus, that will give us, this subtracting we have 4, this one subtract we have 64 degree. That is what we have. That is y is equal to 64 degree. Now the question said we should calculate this, find the y minus x. So but x is equal to 116 is equal to s. That means 2x is equal to what? 116. Therefore s will be, that will give us let's divide, we have 58 degree. Now no, this is corresponding angles. The angles, they are corresponding to each other. This and that, why this other one is equal to this. So now to find the value of y minus x will be equal to 64 minus, that will give us, this will give us 6 degree. This other one there, yeah, the answer is was 6 degree. Thank you so much for being part of the class. We want you to subscribe if you're joining us for the first time. If you have any question, you can leave it as a comment and then share and like. Thank you so much.